Everyone, so I want to make a Christmas little chain dangle with you guys, and this is the stuff that I received from NBeads.com. So they had sent these really cute little Santa clay ornaments. That's what that looks like. And then I got this amazing Christmas bead bundle. They need to make this kit for every single holiday. I would be all over that and buy it. If they had a kit that was all matched up already for you, so you could just go ahead and buy it and use it, I would love this for every single holiday. Different color schemes, you know, like in blues and pinks and purples. Like, I would so be in love with this. So when I saw this with the Christmas themes, oh my gosh, I was all over it. And look, I absolutely love it. So this is the gold bead. Oops, that's not gold, sorry. This is the gold bead right here. And all that I did was I added some little bead caps. I didn't use that one. I used this one right here, which looks like a peppermint candy cane. And I used this gorgeous red right here. And it's this one right here. And same thing, I just added some little bead caps to it. So pretty. And then here is the white and the red, which again, I just added some little bead caps. So this kit is gorgeous. So we are going to go ahead and put together a little charm dangle here, which you could use for your purse. You can use it for your planner. You can add it to any of your projects for like a little embellishment piece. There are so many possibilities that you can go ahead and use these little charms for. I always put one on my purse just to go ahead and have it kind of themed. So for this one, what I like doing is I like adding, actually, I'm going to need this bigger loop for the Santa. So let me make sure. Yeah, I think I'm going to need this larger loop for the Santa. So I like adding my biggest piece at the bottom of my little charm dangle, so it's like the centerpiece, of like focal point. So we're gonna put him down there, and then we'll use one of these jump rings to go ahead and attach to the top right here. And I did go ahead and put more than enough beads together. I don't know how many I'm going to go ahead and add to this. I always just kind of wing it, and I always make more than what I think I'm going to need, because I'd rather have too many already done than to get to work and start working on it and then not having enough. So I have my little mix right here of beads that I already have all wire wrapped and ready to go. So let's figure out kind of how we want to have this. So I like putting one on, say, the left, and then the next chain down on the right, and then, you know, the third link I'll do on the left, and then the fourth link I'll do on the right. But for this one, I think I'm just going to go ahead and add a charm to each side of this one, because I think I have more than enough pieces for that. So let's just go ahead and see how that works out, where I'm going to go ahead and add a charm to every single side. So I'm on the first link, and I'm going to go ahead and add one there. And then you just want to twist your jump ring closed. And then I'm going to go ahead and add another charm. And since I did a larger size on this side, I'm going to go for a smaller one for the other side. I'll add this little green bell. So here's that first link, and here's the red one on the left side. So I'm going to go ahead and add the green charm to the right side. Then we're just going to go ahead and twist that closed. So now I have a charm on either side right here. See, on that first link, it has a charm on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way down until we go ahead and fill this on up. Okay, so I am pretty much done adding all my beads. So this is what it looks like. So what I do is I just kind of like shake it out and kind of just look at it again and see if there's anywhere where I think I could go ahead and use a couple more beads, or if it's fine just how it looks. But this one I think is pretty good, and I'm not going to go ahead and add anything else. So I did start at the very top link. Oh, maybe I'll add a couple up here. So I did start at the very first link, but I did skip the bottom link right here. I didn't add one to that one because they were starting to cover up the Santa. See, and I like having him completely exposed, so that's why I didn't add any more to that one. But now that I'm looking at it, I think I'm going to go ahead and add a couple more pieces to that very top link. So this is what I have left over from what I made. I don't know if I want to add this red, or maybe I'll add this red. I love these. They have little snowflakes to them, so I think I'm going to add that one, and then maybe some of these smaller ones. So not those. So I'm going to go ahead and let's attach this one right here. Let's add it up here, and we'll add this red bead right there. Let's go ahead and close this off. There we go. Oh my gosh, I keep knocking it off. Oh gosh. Okay, I give up. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, you guys all think I'm a professional at making these, and I am just a klutz and all over the place just like everybody else. Let's see. I'm going to add another one to the other side over here as well. And this one I'm going to string 2 on. So I have these little bell flowers that I'm going to add with these little seed beads right here. And let's close this one off as well. And I think that should be it. I think we should be good. Oh yeah, see, it looks just a little bit more chunky up here at the top, which I like. So it's just a little bit fuller. And then, like I said, all of these big beads came from them. It's from this kit right here. So all of these nice big beautiful ones right here. Look at these beautiful little rhinestone ones, so pretty. And then my little Santa clay guy came from them as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is my little chunky charm right here. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. If you guys ever have any questions on anything, please go ahead and leave it down in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.